The only thing I don't like about it is how it wraps around your head. It's not very sturdy or comfortable, and it doesn't hold it up on your face very well, so it kind of pulls down your eye. But this is the mode that changes. Otherwise, you can keep it on a still.
Hello everyone, I want to tell you a little bit about this mask. It's amazing. I received it as a New Year gift and I wanted like a legit salad mask for the good price. It's not overpriced, it's perfect price. It works well. I use it for like a couple days and I already see improvements. My skin is glowing. I use it 10-15 minutes a day. It's really easy to operate. Runs different lights. I gotta tell you, I'm very, very happy with this product. Definitely suggesting buying it if you want to stay beautiful.